There we go. Right, what we got?
Wait, is there anything?
Ooh.
Let me see. What is it? Ooh. Oh, so cute. Two of your favorite things, Halloween and cats.
Anything else? No. What's this?
Their name is Cam.
So cute.
Oh, it's a witch
Oh,
one.
I guess
Oh,
you got another kitty.
cute.
Yeah.
That's a big one.
You think it's a mommy and a baby kitty?
Yeah. There's a note. Eh,
You got it? Need help? Not the normal way to open an envelope.
there's a note to tell you.
Read it out loud.
Just a note to tell you that a lot.
Oh,
Oh, what?
although.
Although you're far away, so I really need thoughts of you today.
What's the cursive read?
I did not know.
Come on.
Try.
Just a little
Just a little thing,
trick.
trick, or tweet
Package.
package for you.
Since. That's an S.
Since
Let's get Oolong. Oolong thinks it's for him.
Since I can't
since I can't
be there
be there
for
for Halloween, hope you
enjoy.
enjoy all the tweets. I love
Oh,
Great Grandma Pat. Sorry, you'll get cursive one day.
oh, that's so
you. That
nice.
sucks. Holy cow.
Whoa.
We what?
What
Whoa.
does this say?
Trick or treater.
They look like candy corn.
We Halloween shirt.
What's that one say? Oh,
Trick
trick
or
or treat.
What is this? Wow.
That's cute.
Wowie. What? What is this?
What do you think that is? It's homework, it looks like.
What?
Did you get homework for Halloween?
No.
It's Halloween homework. What is it?
Whoa.
Oh my goodness. Your favorite.
We don't want pumpkins.
Oh, they're erasers.
I thought they were candy. I was like, I want one of those.
Oh,
Ooh.
they're pins, your favorites.
I have the pink one because, like, that's also my favorite one, actually.
Where's that going to end up? In Mommy's pen collection.
Mama said she's gonna steal that.
Whoa, cats. What's that? Ultimate dot to dot. I love dot to dot.
Oh, you know these, Sydney. It's connect the dots.
Oh,
See?
colored pencils.
Yay.
We,
That's awesome.
what are these?
Oh, post-it notes.
Oh,
Oh boy, your favorite.
This is Sydney's most recent.
Oh yeah.
wee.
What's that? Hairpins? Oh, it's a notepad.
Yeah.
I should
What's it
probably
say on it?
get my glasses on, huh?
Hang on. What is this?
It's a notepad.
No, what is this? Is this a notepad? That's a
What does it say? Oh, it's computer paper. So it's just drawing paper, but it's different colored.
What?
What's that say?
We drawing pad.
What's this one say?
Keep the oceans blue, the planets green, and the animals safe. Nothing else.
Nothing else. Good job. What do you say?
Thank you, boy grandma. We
You want to show her how you floss?
Oh, man.
Good job. Okay, say bye. She dubbed. Say bye, I love you.
Bye.
And thank you.
Thank you
Okay.
for